That card counter is not working right. I'll just have to hover over it occasionally if we ever get to a situation where fatigue mat is important, which I think is guaranteed. I mean, Daisy can just attack whichever wolf and they'll still be out of range of the Leshen. So, I mean, not a bad idea to just go in, I guess. You'll have to be killing these wolves anyway. So with no AoE in Jill Trent's deck, but there's auto damage, so that's one way to get a guaranteed kill on the wolf. I think you probably want to use it on the... You want to use a laser pointer on the wolf, since Leshen just heals off ping damage. They call it laser pointer. Laser pen, yeah. And or red-handed. Anything. Yeah, it's just a pretty safe time to attack. Okay. That didn't fix the deck. Yeah, caught red-handed. Into a planted feet. That's one defense down. And we'll see a discard. But yeah, I think Daisy would have... Jill Trent would have loved if Leshen just took that. Yeah, that's great for Jill. It's a high defense for the wolf. You just see a maneuver first action for Leshen. Okay. So, yeah. I mean, it's early in the game to like... Okay, it actually fixed itself now. So, despite going first, Jildrand is technically, quote-unquote, ahead in fatigue now, but both guys just have too much stuff going on still to say that for sure. Okay, the chat black box is blocking discard pile. Okay, just a double maneuver. It's alright. Although, I mean, the wolves will probably be going in. Or we might see Leshen just overdraw this card. Who knows? That would be lost value. Sometimes we just get the urge to do something. Yeah, just harass Daisy. Oh, cool, actually. Defensive laser pen into disturbing house means that Daisy takes no damage in the wolf dice. Okay, we play this game. Cool. Leshen's full HP anyway, but that does mean that the wolf returns and the wall continues. It's true. Could have moved Daisy to Leshen's zone, actually. This time, Jill is the one attacking the wolf. Into okay, an undefended caught red-handed. So what cards do Leshen... What cards does Leshen discard? Oh, that's mass... I believe there should be 2 cards. Discard. What the hell? Those are big discards. The 2/5s, attack and defense. These caught red-handeds being very useful so far. And now it just makes sense to just go after the wolves. This scheme is basically doing nothing anyway right now. Go after the wolves and make sure that the scheme was basically played for nothing. Which so far it was only played to bring back a wolf. And one wolf is dead again, so yeah. The Jill actually taking their time, really deciding they want to boost in. Okay, they're boosting in with Sisters in Arms to attack this wolf. They're still out of range of Leshen's zone. Okay, an undefended utility belt. Then what does Jill decide to do? Can't really heal. Moving doesn't really accomplish anything. Yeah, I mean, but I'm not sure if you really want to draw. So, doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay, do you use the card to draw? Okay, double maneuver, and the scheme is gone now. Leshen kinda getting cooked. I mean, yeah, that caught red-handed. I mean, okay, boosting with another Sisters in Arms just to keep things going. I mean, the caught red-handed, like, it was an attack into a wolf, and then the wolf defended with a planted feet. So you might as well consider the planted feet as like a discard for caught red-handed. So, okay, I mean, right now it's fine. But Leshen did discard the Primeval Guardian earlier. I guess now, I mean, Leshen has taken damage, so if they play another scheme, they can actually get value from it. Okay, there we go. Scheme is played. Yeah, I mean, now that the scheme is online, Leshen definitely doesn't want to banish, probably. And to the boost. We go after the wolf. But it's a boost value of 1, so it doesn't quite reach. It's a boost 1, right? Yeah, okay. Changing the card. Okay, boosting with Insightful Deduction instead. So go after the wolf. Meanwhile, Daisy's kind of chilling on there, on the other side of the board. Laser pen into harrying strike. Yeah, okay. The wolf's dead. Dead. Does heal one. Let's see if Leshen can actually summon a wolf again. Jill did kinda show that she has a feint in her hand. Oh, okay. That would have been like... I wonder like what were the hands in Leshen's... What were the cards in Leshen's hand when he discarded the Flock of Birds and Primeval Guardian? Now would have been like a cool time to first action attack with Flock of Birds just to keep it going. And the scheme is gone again. Leshen maneuver, boost, and then vanish. That seems so bad though. Daisy is like completely getting off scot-free this match so far. The wolves tried to harass her at the start and then that didn't work. Yeah, okay. The wolf rest gets cancelled too. Unfortunate. I think that would have actually been a... If Leshen had that when he attacked Jill Trent, and then Jill defended with a jetpack. It would have been a winning interaction, I guess. I guess actually I'm thinking about that. I think it definitely would have been the better card to play. Because if Jill disengages with jetpack or something similar, you get the wolf. And then if Jill faints, technically you get second attack. You know, just some simple revelations. I'm not a Leshen player. I learned from watching these games because I don't really like playing him. I'll take these advices to heart and be an aggressive tree. Okay, just double maneuver again. Yeah, I don't know. It's looking rough. Because technically Jill's kinda up in deck. But no, the Daisy schemes haven't played yet. I mean, that's 2 schemes done, 1 Primeval Guardian wasn't used. So, Leshen's the last 3 passes and 2 deck shreds. Yeah, 2 schemes remaining. If nothing happens now, I think Jill just kinda wins. Leshen has to be the one who has to initiate something. I mean, if you can kill Daisy in 1 turn, I guess. At some point, he will send Daisy with double action gains and win. It's possible. Technically, I don't think Jill's really under much pressure right now. Especially with this positioning, actually. If Leshen tries to play a Vanish, can't really deal any damage to either fighter unless he boosts, which I don't think is worth it. Okay, we just see Daisy scheme, I believe, being played. 3 cards, yeah. Not sure what cards were returned. What cards were returned. And Vanish is played. No damage dealt, but that's it. That only 1 card. I think that was only 2 cards being recurred, right? if my eyes didn't deceive me. And now Jill actually has to discard. Discarding Feint and Battle of Wits. The tree is back. And draws from the effect of Vanish into Murder. Okay, so I guess if Leshen just wipes out Daisy this turn, if that somehow happens, game is back. Oh, actually attacking Jill. I mean, if you kill Jill now, or if you deal a lot of damage right now, I guess that also works. Attack with Bird. That Hypnory that got recurred. I wonder if this is the same one, or if Jill already had this in their hand earlier. Okay, it's fine. I mean, defending with Indestructible Cloth for the first attack. Okay, attacking with Planted Feet into Jill first and attacking with Daisy now. And since the 5 was used to defend Jill, unless they have another one, Daisy can't use it. But Daisy does have her 5 versatiles yet to be used, so still a lot of stuff that Daisy can defend with. I don't think... Yeah, okay, there we go. 3 damage. Ten cards to 10 cards. And I guess Lash is kind of back with the fatigue angle. There's still 2 of these and 2 more schemes. The helpful assistant didn't get full value. So I guess Leshen is dead to action gains. That's true. None of them have been used yet, actually. Boosting on Battle of Wits. Do we see the action gain turn now? It's a 5. Okay. Spray into Primeval Guardian. Oh, that's only 1 damage. And action gain. Go. Do we see another one? One more. Oh, okay. Seeing the scheme getting played now. Battle of Wits, Hypnotist, and I guess another Battle of Wits. And that's double scheme, and the decks are even. So Leshen is now... Yeah, I mean, that was 1-5 use, not 2. So I guess that's the combo turn done. If you end there, technically you allow Leshen to do a double attack. Is that the first? Oh, okay. Never mind then, I guess. Okay. Oh, no, never mind. That wasn't the same zone. Okay. Battle of Wits into Wily Fighting. Now let's see if... Oh, there's 1. Oh, that's 1 too. Oh, unfortunate. 1 damage to Trent. Okay. Yeah, Leshen actually chose. I like it when people do this. So Jill should do the same thing. I guess the sportsmanship stuff. And the wolves come back. No scheme detected. That's good for Leshen. Now, you could send. You actually could send Wily fighting to the bottom of the deck. One less defense to worry about. Yeah, I think that's what's going to happen. Okay. So, which one? Probably command the forest first. Oh, actually, not happening. And we see a wolf return anyway. Okay. Somewhere safe. What's that? Okay, well, I think Primeval Slam's supposed to be Leshen's Zone, but we're moving past it, I guess. Both schemes played now. Both vanish into murders. There's still one strength of the pack hanging around in Leshen's deck somewhere. Okay, we do see the scheme being played. Okay. We start healing. Those wolves will be there for a while, most likely. He's one of them. So despite crushing start there, actually Leshen managed to crawl it back. Now the game state feels either evenish or like mildly Leshen favored. Leshen still has three defenses, but one Wily fighting's at the bottom of the deck. So it's just one Primeval Guardian and one Planted Feet. But right now the Leshen is kind of walled. Yeah, might as well attack the wolf here. You're gonna have to break through the wall somehow. And actually, Ilikeeelst timer is going down. Okay, the wolf lives. Might as well heal one because you can't really move out of Leshen Zone. Okay, Jill feints the howling. So no action gain for Leshen, I guess, but I don't think it's that important. Huh, it's interesting. Oh, okay, we're backing off for Leshen. Okay. So Jill just can't first action attack. But though Leshen is open to attack himself. Yeah, Jill just maneuvers and attacks Leshen most likely. Leshen's going to defend, probably. And if you can try a combo turn here now. Although Daisy is the one with the 5 value attack. I think at this point it's better off being played on attack than defense. Yeah, Jill is attacking Leshen and we see Wily fighting. Ping damage is not going to happen. Well, ping damage in the favor of Leshen does happen. Oh, yeah, actually. That does deal 1 damage from Hypnory. I think it's the first time we saw Hypnory being activated this game. And Leshen has 1 card. Yeah, actually, cool feint there. Stopping the card draw. Now we see Leshen actually draw an attack, so unless they boost. Okay, no, they don't boost. And Jill switches to tonic. It's time to start healing. I don't think it would be too bad to just keep going after Leshen right now. So only has 1 more defense. What options are still there? Laser penicillin, Agility Belt, Status Diffuser. I mean, at this point, I think most of the versatiles will rather be played on attack. That's 3 damage. And yeah, that actually heals too. Cool. So Jill just needs a 5, and that probably ends. I mean, Leshen does heal 1 here. And now the position here will be a bit awkward for Jill because the wolves will be making a wall once more. Yeah. So I have to break through this wall. But it's like 2 cards in deck. The fact that Leshen didn't defend the Primeval Guardian there actually. So Jill just needs to keep attacking these wolves. And then the attacks count as passes. You can have Daisy do it actually, it's even better. Then you don't have to worry about a double attack. Yeah, so Leshen... If Leshen just double maneuvers again for the next turn, technically... They're basically only healing 2 more HP. Okay. You'll probably just heal 1 from that. Kind of awkward placing Daisy there means that you can't really leave. It's only 1 space. Yeah. So yeah, it just has to stay there. Might as well just heal one, I guess. Daisy's just in the way, kind of blocking Jill's way. 3 cards in Leshen's hand. I mean, this current positioning, you wouldn't be too bad to just double attack, I guess. What's left here, actually? So there's still attacks. Probably don't want to use the card draw. Well, you can use a card draw attack just to attack from range and then you don't draw. Now, yeah, you see an attack. Yeah, okay, yeah, makes sense. Just to attack for the sake of attacking. Though no ability for Leshen. Now, I wouldn't mind maneuver attack here from Daisy and then just let Daisy die. You can even go after this wolf just so the Leshen can't actually first action attack. Although you'll have to boost for that, so maybe not. Okay, what stuff can Jill still attack with? Okay. Heal from tonic and then move. Okay. So now Leshen has to maneuver attack. But deck out is happening. So not much healing left. Yeah, I think there's going to be a Jill win now. Still, let's see, I guess. The fact that Leshen doesn't get to double attack there means that I don't think there'll be enough healing. The HP difference is just a bit too big. Technically, Leshen goes to fatigue first, then Jill, and then Jill's up in HP right now. So Leshen just dies. And yeah, no matter what happens, Strength of the Pack isn't going to out-heal fatigue damage. Yeah, okay. We're just showing hands now. These are Leshen's defenses. Yeah, I think given this, you might as well just not attack Leshen while you still have a deck. Just attack the wolf. Then wolf defends it while you're fighting, but doesn't really matter. Okay. Okay, 1 damage, and Jill does have to discard the last card in her hand. So, I guess there's still sort of enough damage to kill Jill if she's not too careful. But you just double maneuver. What cards are left for Jill? You have a 5 and Battle of Wits. If you draw the 5, you just have to double maneuver. But I think you double maneuver anyway. Could even boost, I guess. Would be funny. Yeah, okay, just double maneuver. And then what Leshen has to boost to attack. Feels awkward. Yeah, Leshen just has to boost 1. Or the wolf can go in and attack with while you're fighting. No, actually, the wolf can't go in. It's fatigue. So the wolf dies. So heal 1, then take 2. Yeah, heal 1, then take 2. Probably. I mean, definitely. So Leshen heals 1. And you have to maneuver the wolf dies. You have to boost in to attack. Otherwise, you just double maneuver and then you probably die the next turn. So, boost. What is the winning angle here for Leshen? Yeah, you don't get a double attack, so that ability really do anything. You have to boost in. You have 3 cards in hand. Do you double maneuver? You go down to 1 HP. I don't think you double maneuver, then you just die immediately your next turn. No, yeah, I just think the game's done, basically. Boost with Primeval attack with Primeval Slam. Jill has to defend with a 5. You'll have a single Battle of Wits. Doesn't really do anything. So you'll be at 3 HP. And then your scheme doesn't matter anymore. Jill... Jill maneuvers towards you. I mean, actually, if you go here... Boost Primeval Guardian, go here, the Tri-Zone. Attack Jill, and then Jill can't really attack you with Battle of Wits. Okay, Leshen can't win anymore. Yeah, maybe. Just seeing, maybe there's a way still. Attack with a 4. Yeah, okay, yeah, makes sense, yeah. The wolf doesn't really do anything. And Leshen has to double maneuver next turn, and yeah, that's it. And yeah, Leshen can't reach. Because you only have 1 card to attack with or remove 1 fighter. Just go literally anywhere where Leshen can't go in 1 move. And then you win. Okay. Okay. There we go. Double maneuver, GG. Yeah. The scheme does activate still, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. GG, well played.
GG.
Disaster game.
I thought I had it at the beginning.
Every interaction was terrible. That's why you thought you had it. I was so sad when I saw the cards at the beginning. Terrible.
Yeah, no, I think I had very good interaction, but I felt like the game was a little bit going out of control at some point.
I think,
like
Leshen was stabilizing really hard there at towards the end, I think.
Exactly. Maybe I should have let the pressure go, because I know the banish are coming, so might as well stay at 5 cards in hand instead of going up to 7. I don't know.
I think what ruined me is that at the beginning I attacked you with this. I think you defended with the red ended, and I was debating whether to attack you with a discard, right? As first attack. And that threw me 2 cards out, which was a bit terrible. And also when you attacked me, I think I defended with this one with the red end, so I threw away 3 cards.
Yeah.
I think I threw away 5, and I threw away...
Primeval Guardian.
Yes.
That 2 5s. Discarded 2 5s in 1 card red-handed.
Yeah, but I had to choose because I had 1 more of these in hand, and I think I had 1 of these, and I could not afford.
Yeah.
I don't know. I did not like my
hand
at the beginning.
Your hand was too good. Basically.
And when you were boosting with the feint, I was like, come on, man. Don't massacre me like this.
I mean, I needed fodder for the scheme. That's why I was discarding Jill card. Because I had the first in hand at the beginning, and then the second I drew it around like 5th or 6th turn. So I didn't have enough cards to recycle.
Yeah, I felt I was kind of stable in the middle, and then I don't know. To be fair, Easy did not play any cards almost.
Yeah,
except the schemes.
Just kind of watch from a distance.
Served her purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah. I still wonder if letting you having a Raptors versus Jill game 3 was a mistake, because my other option was to self-banning Jill and keeping Dracula, but then Dracula into Leshen I don't think it's great, so I don't know. I think at the end, like, the Genie ban was good because it put me into this 50-50.
Yeah, I mean, I should have played Raptors, but as I told you as we were chatting, I mean, Leshen without the map, I didn't feel like playing him. So
Yeah.
I'd rather get a 0-2 than getting in 1-1, knowing that I lose 90% of the time.
If you'd like to support the channel, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee or my Pixel by ePlayment pages down below. And if you like the content you just saw, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.